We've all had the problem where you try to plug in too many adapters or chargers into a power strip and you just can't get them to fit. You spend way too much time trying to arrange plugs. And those bulky DC transformers, they block outlets, waste space, and cover the power switch. It's like a jigsaw puzzle that you just don't have time for. Some products try to solve this problem with dozens of tiny extension cords. Talk about cable mess. Look no further because Quail Electronics is offering you the rotating power strip to solve your space dilemma and get rid of tangled wires. The rotating power strip features 6 rotating outlets that swivel in any direction to give you the elbow room you need for your devices. There are also 2 additional fixed receptacles, one on each side. And last but not least, a unique 360-degree rotating plug. Altogether, the rotating power strip can pump out 1800 watts under full surge protection to power and charge your favorite electronics. Watch how easily the rotating power strip accommodates all these different plugs, adapters, chargers, different shaped plugs. All fit because of this awesome pivoting design. I never have to worry about having to unplug everything just to make room for one device. And the 2 fixed outlets on each side, they accommodate basically any plug type possible. To avoid cord spaghetti, the rotating power strip has a clever cable management system. It clamps down on trailing wires to prevent clutter and confusion. Look how there's no wires to compete with or trip over, and they all go off in the same direction. When organizing your office or entertainment center, it's important to use equipment that's easy to access and install. When you use a regular power strip, like this one, you move your desk or cabinet in front of it and apply pressure that bends the cord, stresses the conductors, and damages electrical components. 99% of the power strips are like this, but the rotating power strip prevents this kind of damage because of the very unique 360-degree rotating plug. The flat plug lays flush with floor molding and chair rails so that no furniture will put pressure on it. The rotating plug allows you to orient to the right or to the left, and the rotating power strip lets you arrange your electronics the way you want them. Construction of the plug is very sturdy and compact. Heavy-duty contact plates make infinite rotation possible, and the stainless steel pins are designed for durability. The rotating power strip is the all-around solution for space saving because of the very unique, low-profile, rotating plug. On top of practicality, the rotating power strip offers industry-leading X3 Mov Technology, which provides 2,160 joules of surge and spike protection. The lighted push power button doubles as a 15-amp circuit breaker and is backed by dual thermal safety shutdown fuses. The X3 Mov has lifetime spike protection up to 144,000 amps and responds in less than 1 nanosecond. Also, you can't forget EMI RFI electromagnetic scrubbing, which protects data and signal integrity from corruption. Altogether, the rotating power strip offers the most comprehensive surge protection technology available. Finally, the rotating power strip lets you place it anywhere you want it. Wall mounting keyholes on the back let you securely install it on the wall or position it to your desk. Quail Electronics rotating power strip is hands down the #1 solution to the DC transformer problem and the only product that offers this many extras. Visit www.quail.com and reference part number 2500.PS8-R or simply call this number to order yours today.